guys. It is Monday, Janvier 18th. January 18th? Yes, it's January 18th. My birthday is officially next weekend. I'm getting so old. I'm gonna be 20 years old. Can you believe that? I can't. My mom can't. My daddy can't. Nobody can. You. Anyways, I'm just here waiting for the school bus. Waiting for these kiddos to come so I can babysit because it's that time. It's Monday. Start of the work week, y'all. 3 more days. 1 day down. 3 more days to go. And then another 1 day down. 3 more days. Ow. 3 more days to go. And then I'll be celebrating me. I'm so excited. So I think I figured out what it is exactly that I'm going to be doing for my birthday. Sending out my invitations today. Even though they should have been sent out a long time ago. Hope you guys can come to my party. My 3 parties. So, yeah. That's what's up. Oh, yes. Reminding me. I got to call my mom. I need some help from her. Because I ain't going to be doing nothing for my birthday. Okay, it's my birthday. I ain't going to be doing nothing. So she got to be doing stuff for me. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Again, just waiting for the kids to come on the bus. Just here in the car, waiting. I just dropped Marlon off at his mom's house. And then I'm going to bring the kids back there and just chill out for a little bit. I think Kim's home with the babies, if I'm not mistaken, because I don't believe she works on Mondays anymore. So hopefully they're there so I can see them. Now I get to see them again at least once a week, you know. And the first few years in a child's life is very, very crucial. Like, I mean, like every year in a child's life is crucial, but like the first few years, like making sure that they know who you are and that they like, you know, like grow a bond with you and stuff. It starts from when they're young, you know. And I love seeing kids like when they run to me like, Auntie, casa, up, 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 up. I want up. Oh my god, but when they cry, oh my gosh, like especially when they're crying for no freaking reason whatsoever. Like, why are you crying? Who did anything to you? You know what I mean? Like, there's no reason for you to be crying. Like, tap your eyes. Cha. Nine. But you can't not love them, you know? Their kids are the best. Yeah, but there's just going to be a lot of things that are going to be coming to you guys, and I'm really excited about this. Like my YouTube channel, every day, like at least 2 to 3, I get 2 to 3 new subscribers. Oh, the bus is here, you guys. I will be right back with this conversation. Be right back. Good morning, guys. So I am on the bus right now, on the nice Viva bus, heading to Vaughan Mills. I got to change my skirt that I bought for my birthday outfit number 2 for my dinner. I got to change the skirt because I got it tight thinking that it would work out better, but the way that the skirt is made, there's a split and it pulls out too far when it's really tight how I want it. So I'm going to change it for a bigger size. And yeah, and then I need to find my shoes, and I got to find like I want a vest blazer, not really a full jacket blazer, but whatever I see I'll get. And yeah, I'm just really hoping that I get my shoes. I want them to be gray. It's not gray nude, because like the skirt and outfit is pretty much like this color, so that's what I want. I want something soft toned to like balance it out. I don't want shocking because I have shoes to match it, but I don't want those shoes because it's just too bright, you know? So yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now. I'm on the bus. So when I get to Vaughan Mill, I will see you guys then. Okay, bye. Guys, just got to the mall. Woo! I really hope I find my shoes. Because if I don't know what I'm going to do. Yo, it's so hard not to shake when you're walking. You know? You know that way there? Or not? I want to know if this truck man thinks he's gonna hit me. Oh. Right on me up. She up. Anything when me buy a canto. Me a drive out, she a drive out too. She fly out, she can fly out too. Big up Alkali. Oh my god, wait. Yeah, he added me on Instagram the other day. I'm in warmth. Yo, Von Mills always has people like walking around. I think they have like this fitness club or something. But there's always people walking around in the mall. And it's so weird. Carter's. Oh my god, Carter's. I gotta come here for Carter. Carter. My little nephew. He's coming soon. So many things, you guys, are happening for 2016. Okay, I'm gonna find the store and I'll link you guys in a bit, okay? Just about to die. I thought that my skirt wasn't here, but I got it. Last large, okay? The last large. Are you hearing what I'm saying, you guys? The last large. No, this is like what I want to go over, but I don't want a full length blazer. I would love like a blazer vest or something like that. You know what I mean? So, yeah. And either nude or gray. So, let's have a look-see here. Like this. You know? What is this? 30 bucks. And this is a large too. But I want it in gray. Do you guys see gray? I don't. And they have the longer one. Okay, here's a nice long blazer. 40 bucks. They have that gray one up there. That one's pretty cute, but who's reaching up there for it? Like, who does these things? That gray vest? A large. Please. Okay. Thank you. Guys, I got my vest. I got my vest. I'm so excited. My outfit's complete. Now all I need is my shoes. Listen, I was not going to get my shoes from there because, like, the gray ones were closed toe. I'm trying to show my toes, but, and they just didn't fold up how I wanted them to, like tie up how I wanted them to. I wanted some tie up heels. And I found one yesterday at the store that I went to, but they never had my size. They only had size 10. Who wears a size 10 that is a female? Like, what? That's like not even my mom. My mom wears size 11, but that's huge, okay? So that's what I'm on the hunt for right now. I'm gonna check Aldo. I'm gonna check Spring. Listen, this is the only time that I go hard on like stuff because it's my birthday. It's my one time that I spoil myself. Other than that, I'm really cheap. So I can bring my bank for that. And then I'll be done outfit one. I mean two. I still need to get something for outfit number one. So that's what I'm on the hunt for right now. Wish me luck, you guys. I'm tired of looking for this stupid outfit. I just want to be done and carry on with my life. And then I can look for my second outfit, which would be my house party clubbing outfit, which I already have a vest for. I just need like a plain dress or like a really cute bodysuit or something. And I'll be good to go. Okay. Okay, so I'm trying to figure out where to go. What the hell? Where's S? Spring. Oh. So there isn't a spring in here. Okay. Okay, so there's the Aldo outlet. Oh, College Spring. Clearly I chat too much because apparently I passed it. So. And it was right beside the same freaking store I bought my clothes in. Like, I went to Spring, they didn't have anything. So I'm going home. I'm gonna go to Sheridan Mall. And there's a really nice shoe store in there. They're pretty cheap. Whatever. I mean, you get what you pay for. I'm gonna go there and see if they have anything. Because I normally do get my heels from there. So, pay for me, y'all. And then I gotta go pick up Sorry. But I did pretty good. I only spent like less than an hour in here. So, I'm just getting a crepe right now. I'm at this place called Crepe-alicious. I'm getting the Tutti Frutti. You see it? There, strawberries, banana, and Nutella. It's gonna be so scrumptious. It's so good in this place, man. It's so good. Hey guys, I couldn't finish because I ran out of space on my phone, but here is my crepe. Mmm, yummy.
Yeah, I'm home, okay? And on my way home, I seen a rat, and like, oh my god, I don't know, you guys don't understand. I hate creatures. Like, it was so freaking nasty. Oh my god. I don't want to go back outside. I don't want to walk back there. I have to walk back there to get the bus to go pick up Zari. I don't want to walk back there. I thought somebody was there. I don't want to walk back there, you know? I could vomit, like, my toes, they're curled up, even in my shoes. It's just so it was like, okay, wait. Yo, you guys, it was like this big. Okay? I'm not even exaggerating. From the end of its tail to the beginning of its head, it was like this big. I hate that there's so much food places around, like, the bus stop way. So, like, anyways, I'm home, in case you guys never realized. And I have about
An hour left. I didn't get my shoes. I'm really bummed out about that. But I got everything else. And I was thinking I was going to show you guys like what I got. But you guys already seen the skirt. So ain't nothing more for y'all to see. Okay, I want to keep some elements of this birthday a surprise. And I already know what I'm doing. Although the events are subject to change, I pretty much have an idea. Ooh, it's light though. Yeah, but yeah. And I gotta edit. I have 2 videos on my phone that I need to edit. I have a vlog to put up, and I have the about a year ago tag to put up as well. So those are gonna be the 2 videos that are left to put up for the week prior to this vlog coming out, because I believe this vlog will be my next week Tuesday vlog. When I'm recording this right now, it's Wednesday. So this vlog that I'm recording right now, I believe will be my Tuesday vlog for next week. And yeah, I'm sorry I have not posted any DIY videos yet. There is one that I want to do, but I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to do it. I feel like right now may not be the perfect time for it. It might be the perfect time for me, but it might not be the perfect time for everybody else. Although it is something that's cool to know. So we'll see about that. And yeah, that's about it. So I'm just going to relax for a little bit until I gotta go pick up Zara. I'm gonna actually try on my outfit all together, even though I'm still in my shoes. You guys, I've gone everywhere. I don't know if it's just the color that I'm looking for or the type of shoe, because I'm trying to get like a strappy shoes. And the one that I found, I think I'm just gonna go back and get it, even though it's not my size. But I feel like I'm gonna waste my money because I'm never gonna want to wear it again. And I did try it on, and you can tell it's loose. Like, it's loose. Like, me getting a size 9 is already a half size up from my normal size, or even like a full size up, because I'm normally like a 8.5 in shoes. I wear 9s because sometimes I just like a lot of extra space. So that's already enough space for me. So going and stretching and getting a 10, I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm going to see if I can steal Mars' car later on and go and whatever. But I'm going to eat my leftovers from yesterday. Wash up these dishes before I go. I made soup last night, so I'm just going to have that for dinner later. But I'm going to eat my Chinese from yesterday. Let me put that actually in another bowl. If me no have ganja, me no happy. I don't beg friend, no. Weed is my best friend. And me no want see no next friend, no. Weed is my best friend. Big up popcorn! You guys know I'm Jamaican? Did you know? No? It's my key holder right there. In case y'all forget. So if you guys have any music apps for Androids that I can use, please comment them below so I can go and get some music with my phone. I really like Spotify because they have every pretty much every artist, like Jamaican artists, like, you know what I'm saying? And I need my dancehall, so if y'all got any suggestions there, please let me know. Leave them in the comment section below, like right there. See here? Yeah, leave them there. And let me know where I can go to download some music that won't yam off my data when I'm not connected to Wi-Fi. Okay. But yeah, that's about it for now. See you guys when I am with the kiddies, getting the kiddies from the school bus. I'm gonna, again, try on my outfit, edit the vlog for tomorrow, and the video for tomorrow, Friday. And yeah, I'm sticking to my schedules, guys. So yeah,
Again, please submit your questions, dramas, scenarios, whatever it is, to ZOEL_Brown, spelled just like the color, at hotmail.com. I have some. I just need some more so we can get this Think segment going on. And yeah, so excited. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Mwah.